What's going on, bosses? I got something to tell y'all.
What do you want?
It's never been easier to blow up on TikTok than it is right now. But then, if you're out here without the right direction or top-notch tips and strategies, you're gonna be stuck in the 200 view jail, writing letters to your family and fighting for cornbread.
You will never get out of prison.
You might hit a little lucky streak now and then, but you never really know what makes a video viral. So I'm here to drop 5 game-changing tips on you and strategies to get a brand new account popping and skyrocket within the first couple of weeks. This is going for personal brands and faceless accounts. So this will blow your damn mind. But one of my recent students who recently got divorced hit 10K followers in 5 days using this exact steps. And very soon after, my private student put in over 7 million views in 2 months with the strategy.
Did I blow your mind or did I blow your mind?
Believe it or not, what I'm going to cover will include how the algorithm works, how to properly start an account, whether hashtags even really matter, the importance of posting times, and my extra sauce for creating back-to-back viral videos right after opening an account. In a surprising turn of events, this exact tactic is how my students are raking up millions of views. As the plot thickens, let's jump right into it. How does the TikTok algorithm actually work? Think of it like a game where you rack up points. Get more points than the next person and you win.
I win.
Simple, right? Imagine starting a video with over 150% watch time.
Say that again.
Imagine starting a video with over 150% watch time. That's like 6 points right there. Viewers gotta watch the whole thing and then some. Hit 100% watch time and you score 5 points. A share, 3 points. Comments get you 2 points, and likes, well, likes are only 1 point. So likes are not that important. Your goal is to keep people watching. TikTok, just like every other platform, wants folks to stay on their platform as long as possible and destroy their brains. And make money from TikTok ads. Help TikTok by keeping viewers engaged and they will make it rain on you. Suddenly, let's break down the video phases. You see, when you're in the seeding phase, the 0 to 1,000 views, you're fighting for your life for attention. Let's say one video gets 25 points and another one gets 16. The 25-point videos will move forward in the expansion phase. As we proceed, the one with 20 points versus the 10-point video, the 20-point video wins and moves on to the expansion phase. When the video hits around 10,000 views, the one with more engagement, comments, and retention moves into the viral phase. So, to sum it up, focus on keeping viewers hooked. Platforms want users to stay on the platform as long as possible so they can rack their brain and make them slaves to TikTok. Let's move on to the next big thing. How to properly start a brand new account.
This is gonna be good.
When you first create a TikTok account, the algorithm doesn't know you at all. You're just a bot to them. So don't post anything for 24 hours. Instead, go follow accounts on your niche, like their videos, drop some comments, save, and even share them. In the blink of an eye, do this for the first 30 minutes. This helps TikTok recognize that you're a real person and what kind of content that you're into. A lot of people don't give TikTok enough time to figure out what they are or who they are, and that's why you get stuck at that 0 view mark. As fate would have it, let's talk about hashtags. Contrary to expectations, hashtags do matter, especially when you're starting out. Use 2 to 3 hashtags that are related to your niche to help TikTok figure out who your content is for. There is no downside to using hashtags, so let's go for it. And then there's the question, do post times really matter? Shockingly, people are on this app 24/7. The average time spent on TikTok is 90 minutes, and some people spend way more than that. But to be safe, when you're starting out, post between 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Eastern time. That's when people are getting off school or work and looking to unwind. Once you got some momentum and you buzzing and you got an audience, Check your analytics to see when your followers are most active and post 30 minutes before that peak time. Here's my secret strategy that's helped me and many of my students generate millions of views. The copy and paste method.
He is stealing.
Why waste time trying to reinvent the wheel? You can use a Chrome extension like Sort for TikTok to find high-performing accounts in your niche. Look up their most viewed videos and then remake them using the same hooks, retention ways, and CTAs. If you don't know what CTA is, call to action. And an unsuspected twist, this fast tracks your success. Once you have a few viral videos, you can start experimenting with different styles, hooks, and tactics. Big accounts often take cues from other high-performing videos to improve their content. Having that initial momentum on a brand new account is what it takes to make or break your success on TikTok in 2024. Hope you find this helpful. If you did, don't even smash the like button. Destroy the subscribe button. Turn on post notes and drop a comment with your thoughts and other tips you found when growing accounts. If you are tired of losing money on TikTok and losing everything on TikTok, the course in the description is for you. I have time to help people now that my business is automated. So with that being said, I'll catch you in the next video. Stay dangerous.